Welcome to our channel. Want to watch Peacock content offline? Follow these steps to download your favorite shows and movies for viewing without an internet connection. Step 1. Open the Peacock app on your mobile device. Note that downloads are only available on mobile apps, not on web browsers or TV apps. Step 2. Ensure you have a Peacock Premium or Premium Plus subscription. The free tier doesn't support offline downloads. Step 3. Find the show or movie you want to download. Browse or search for your desired content using the app's navigation. Step 4. Look for the download icon next to the episode or movie title. It appears as a downward arrow symbol. Step 5. Tap the download icon to start downloading. The content will begin downloading to your device's storage. Step 6. Monitor download progress in the Downloads section. Access this from the bottom navigation menu to see all downloads. Step 7. Manage your storage space wisely. Downloaded content uses device storage, so regularly delete watched content. Step 8. Access downloaded content from the Downloads tab. You can watch without internet for up to 30 days, but must reconnect periodically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.